Sa mga nagtatanong kung paano maging happy. Well, unang-una, happiness is a choice, not a result. And nothing will make you happy until you choose to be happy. No person will make you happy unless you decide to be happy. Yung saya ay hindi manggagaling sa iba. Wala pong ibang taong makapagbibigay niyan sa'yo. Material na bagay, pangyayari, at kung ano-ano pa. So, bago mangyari ang lahat, magdesisyon ka muna. Magdesisyon ka muna maging masaya. Diyan lang po yan magsisimula. Your happiness will not come to you. It can only come from you. Ulitin ko, it can only come from you.